Jasper AI and Writesonic are two highly popular AI copywriting tools designed for marketing teams. Both claim to speed up content creation, from headlines and blog posts to ad copy and emails, but they serve somewhat different needs. If your team is looking to adopt AI-powered writing, understanding how each tool performs can help decide which one fits your workflow best. Let's start with Jasper AI. Jasper is built for versatility and content depth. It supports creating blog posts, long-form articles, landing page copy, ad copy, social posts, and much more. One of its strengths is that it offers templates and frameworks for marketing professionals, meaning you can choose a blog post outline template or an ad copy template, and have a structured output that you can refine. Jasper also integrates with other tools and has flows designed for SEO-friendly content. For a marketing team focused on high-volume content production with consistent tone and longer pieces, Jasper is very effective. Another benefit of Jasper is its ability to handle context relatively well. You can feed it existing marketing material, set brand voice guidelines, and ask it to create content aligned with your style. Now let's look at Writesonic. Writesonic is angled more towards speed, agility, and marketing conversion-focused copy. It offers tools for ad copy, social media posts, landing pages, blog intros, product descriptions, and more. Many marketing teams use Writesonic when they need quick copy iterations, fast A/B testing of ads or headlines, or lighter content that needs rapid deployment. An advantage of Writesonic is that its interface and workflow are often very user-friendly, making it easier for non-technical marketers or smaller teams to jump in. Writesonic also offers versioning and variation generation, so if you need 10 ad headlines or 5 email subject lines, you can generate multiple options fast and pick what resonates. For marketing teams that run campaigns and need multiple copy variations quickly, Writesonic can be more efficient. In practice, some teams even use both. Writesonic for rapid campaign copy and iterations, Jasper for cornerstone content and brand story. This layered approach combines speed and depth. In short, for marketing teams choosing between Jasper AI and Writesonic, the decision comes down to the balance between depth and speed. Jasper AI brings strength in structured, brand-aligned, long-form content. Writesonic brings strength in quick generation, multiple variations. Ad-centric copy and efficiency. Choose the one that aligns with how your team operates today and how you want it to scale tomorrow.